Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching my video right now, according to your time factor, but here is morning. Welcome to this channel again, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across my video or this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend, your family, and through Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, any kind of social media you are using. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload useful video like this. Today in this video, I want to teach you how to use coconut water and onion for financial breakthrough. You know, when we don't have money, our morale always down. But once we have money, we can reason, we can think what is the next thing to do. We can be happy. Yes. It's not all right for someone to have good handwork, but beg for what to eat. I mean, when you are artisan, maybe you are a barber salon, you are electrician or you are mechanic, and then you have such a work, and then you know what you are doing, and then you are still begging to eat. It's not good. It's not a welcome thing for someone having good business at hand, but not good customer to patronize him or her business. It's not good. So when you have enough market, maybe you are selling clothes, you are or anything, even online or physical one, it's not good. So you just need only one thing, as I said before, which is coconut and onion. Get enough coconut water and onion, as many as you can. That's what you need, and this is how to do this prayer, because it's a prayer. It's a prayer. So put enough coconut water into the white container. I mean bowl that open, and must also good for washing hand. You understand this? I mean a white bowl, and put all the onion into the clean plate, any color of the plate, that is separate one. You understand? So the coconut water should be on white container, and the onion should be in another plate separately. So wash your hand with coconut water. Say your wishes when you are washing your hand with the coconut water. Pray for financial breakthrough. After washing your hand, go to the place you keep the onion. You know, I said you have to separate the onion in another plate. So pray seriously and tell God Almighty what you need, what you want God to do in your life. Ask him for the breakthrough, financial breakthrough. You will hold the onion, you will hold the onions when you are praying. That is why you must wash your hand with coconut water anytime you want to pray with the onion. So you will do this for complete 3 days. On the fourth day, go and share the onion with the beggars. I think you understand this part. You will do this for 3 days, and on the fourth day, you will go and share the onion with the beggars. And take note, please, anytime you want to use the onions for prayer, firstly wash your hand with the clean coconut water, and after that, pray to the onions. Use the coconut water to wash your hand again when you finish the prayer. I think you understand this. Before you pray with the onion, you have to wash your hand with the coconut water, and then after praying with the coconut, you have to wash your hand again. Then add the remaining coconut water with another enough clean water, and use it for bathing at night. Example, when you do the prayer before evening, add the coconut you use for the hand, add it to the enough water and bet it at night. So you will be using fresh coconut water for the 3 days. At least 2 or 3 coconut water that has enough water will serve you for each day. But I suggest you get 9 coconuts and use 3 per day. I don't say you must use 3 coconuts each day, but by using 3 coconuts, you will get enough water, and if you can afford more than that, you are good to go. But all you need is get enough coconut water, and then it must be fresh. Definitely, the coconut water you used yesterday is not possible to use it today because you have used it to bathe, and then that's how you do it for good 3 days. This is second one, and if you can do it together, no problem. In the beginning of this video, I said it's 2 work I want to teach you here. So this is the second one. You can do it together at once. There's no problem. Get bitter leaf. I think it's very common. Bitter leaf. It must be fresh one. 3 pieces, just 3 pieces. And get sugar cane. Yeah, sugar cane. Cut the sugar cane into 7 pieces and sea salt. You need bitter leaf, 3 pieces, sugar cane, and cut it into 7 pieces, then sea salt. That's 3 items you need for this one. This work is personally on open door. It will open your way. You will receive blessing and favor. So, and then the financial breakthrough as well. Put the sugar cane into the clean plate and put the bitter leaf by the side. You understand? So you will be naked and say your personal intention on it. I mean, pray for what you want, your financial breakthrough, blessing, favor. You understand? Mercy. Pray. Pray very well. After saying your personal intention, use right hand like this to pick up the sugar canes and eat everything. After eating the sugar cane, throw away the dirty ones. I mean the peel. You don't need it for anything. So put enough water into the bucket, add little sea salt to it, and use the bitter leaf as a sponge. The 3 bitter leaf, use it as a sponge to bathe. You will bathe at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Don't miss it, please. 1 a.m. because each time has its own spirit. So please do it at exactly 1 a.m. You will do this on Monday. If you can't do it on Monday, try to do it on Thursday. When you are bathing as well, please try to say your personal intention again. The personal intention I keep mentioning here is pray. Pray in your own language, what you understand. You understand? So that is it. It's a strong work. May God Almighty bless all of us and answer our prayer. If this is the first time you came across my video, once again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Thank you so much.